Welcome to our channel. Resetting your LG TV to initial settings can resolve many software issues, performance problems, and configuration errors. Follow these steps for a complete factory reset. Step 1. Press the settings button on your LG remote to open the main settings menu on your TV screen. Step 2. Navigate to all settings or the gear icon. Then scroll down to general or support depending on your WebOS version. Step 3. Select reset to initial settings or factory reset from the general menu options. This will erase all custom settings and data. Step 4. Read the warning message carefully, as this process will delete all installed apps, saved settings, and account information from your TV. Step 5. Confirm the reset by selecting OK or Reset. Some models may require you to enter a PIN, which is usually 0000 by default. Step 6. Wait for your TV to reset and restart automatically. This process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes, so don't turn off the TV during this time. Step 7. Your TV will restart and display the initial setup screen just like when you first purchased it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your TV. Step 8. Complete the setup by selecting language, country, scanning channels, connecting to Wi-Fi, and accepting terms and conditions to start using your Reset TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.